Have you ever stopped to wonder, how has the internet, this vast invisible network, become such an integral part of our lives? How has it transformed our world in ways we could hardly imagine a few decades ago? Today, we're going to unpack the magic behind the internet, piece by piece. Firstly, we have the network infrastructure. This is the backbone of the internet, the physical components that make it possible for data to zip around the globe at lightning speed. Imagine a bustling city with its extensive road system. The network infrastructure is like the roads, bridges, and tunnels that keep the city humming along. It includes routers, switches, and cables undersea and underground, all working in sync to keep the data flowing. Next, we have the protocols. These are the rules of the road. Just as cars need traffic signals and road signs to move smoothly and avoid collisions, data packets need protocols. The most widely used are the Transmission Control Protocol, or TCP, and the Internet Protocol, or IP. Together, they ensure data gets from its source to its destination reliably and accurately. Then we have websites and web pages. These are the destinations on your journey across the internet. The World Wide Web, or the WW, is a vast collection of these sites, each a treasure trove of information waiting to be explored. To navigate this ocean of information, we have browsers. These are your compass and map, guiding you through the WW. Software applications like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari allow you to access, navigate, and interact with the wide array of websites available. Next up are the Internet Service Providers, or ISPs. They are the gatekeepers, providing you with the key to the internet. Whether through wired or wireless connections, ISPs ensure you can access the internet from your devices. Finally, we have the internet-related services. These are the various online services that we use daily. From sending an email to a colleague, posting a photo on a social media platform, buying a book from an online store, or storing files in the cloud, these services enrich our lives in countless ways. In summary, the internet is a global network of interconnected computers and computer networks. It's a complex system built on a robust infrastructure governed by protocols, accessed via browsers, facilitated by ISPs, and enriched by a plethora of online services. It's transformed how we communicate, share information, and conduct business. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a tool that's become an integral part of our lives, shaping society, economy, and culture on a global scale. So the next time you send an email, post a tweet, or stream a video, take a moment to appreciate the marvel that is the internet and the countless components that work tirelessly behind the scenes to make it all possible.